Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, step right up. Welcome to the dizzying heights of the Wonder League Robotics competition, hosted right here at the one and only Wonder League Park. My name is Brian Miller, and I'm the Vice President of Strategic Sales and Education Outreach at Wonder Workshop, and it's my pleasure to be joining you. Today, we've got more thrills than a roller coaster and more surprises than a magician's hat. Before we dive into the main event, let's take a moment to appreciate the whirlwind world of coding and robotics. These aren't just the building blocks of our competition, they're the bumper cars that bump us towards innovation and the teacups that spin our young minds towards new horizons. Let's start with the loop around our Innovator Cup runners-up, who have all engineered their way into our hearts faster than you can say cotton candy. In no particular order, hats off to Carlita Small Rising Stars, coached by the dynamic duo Marcia Papashu and Roxana Nicola. Dragon Kids with the spectacular team leaders Robotica Wonder and Araceli Rodriguez Flores. And finally, Carlita Mind Hub Robotai, once again under the fantastic guidance of Marcia Papashu and Roxana Nicola. Each team has thrown their hat into the ring and come up with creations that have us all spinning. And climbing to the top of our Ferris wheel of creativity, this grand prize winner of the Innovator Cup is the incredible Team Unid Dash, steered by the mastermind Hillary Seeger. Your innovation has us all on the edge of our seats, higher than the peak of any tallest drop tower. Let's take a look.
We are Team Unid Dash! Hi, my name is York. I am the ringmaster. I made the drink cards and coded the drink cards.
My name is Dash, and I came up with the idea for the carousel, and I also built it.
Hi, my name is Maggie. I coded and made the cotton candy food stand. My name is Nur. I coded to the benches and made them. A problem we had was Dash was not doing what we coded him to do. We solved the problem by coding it a bunch of times and making tweaks to the code.
Oh, I love cotton candy. I'll get some for $5. Cotton candy, cotton candy. I love cotton candy. I really love it. Oh, I'm so thirsty. I need a drink. Boop, boop, boop. Wow, a cool carousel. I'm gonna go on it.
The problem we had was getting Dash up the ramp. We solved the problem by readjusting the ramp.
The problem we had was getting the carousel to spin. The way we fixed that was by putting Matchbox cars under the carousel so that it would spin.
Also, we had to change our ramp design because we didn't have enough momentum to get up the ramp. We had a precision problem. Dash was not able to get up the ramp without crashing. We had to use precision and speed.
All right, now hold on to your hats as we zip over to the Pioneer Cup. Just like the best theme parks, our next set of teams have shown that when you mix technology with imagination, the sky's the limit. Or maybe just the top of the sky ride. Giving a whirlwind of applause for our runners-up who've programmed more than just robots, they've coded their way into Wonder League history. In no particular order, big cheers for Collaboration Crew, coached by the innovative Betsy Monk. Coding Coyotes, masterminded by the visionary Jennifer Cody. And Building Bananas, also captured by the ever-creative Betsy Monk. You've all built wonders that make coding as fun as a walk through the haunted house, with less screaming. And now, drum roll please, as we launch the grand prize winner of the Pioneer Cup into the spotlight. Park iTex, coached by the incredible Lana Shea. You've not only gone through the loop, you've reinvented it. Congratulations on achieving top speed. Let's take a look at their winning submission.
Did you hear that the Earthlings at Wonderland Park added an intergalactic section to their amusement park?
Let's go check it
It's
out.
considered best in the universe.
Let's go check it out.
During our trip, check out this video from the architects who designed it and built it.
We're besties.
We've had each other's back since we were born.
And we've competed in countless sports teams together.
But this is our first robotics competition.
And we loved it! Together, we make a good team.
And we're pretty punny.
Whoa, impressive.
Our biggest struggle was to create an accessible amusement park ride for Dash. We wanted the ride to go around with some bumps along the way. After several different approaches, we found success by cutting pool noodles in different sizes and heights so that Dash would lean, but not too much. Our struggles didn't stop after creating a ride that had the right amount of turns and the right amount of tilts.
We had to play with speeds up and down the ramp for quite a while.
One of our biggest problems was solved by adding another dash. It is very difficult to code a servo motor to stop on a dime. We knew we could use our hands to stop the motor or move it where it needed to be, but we were excited when we realized that we could use another dash to serve as a ride operator to help out.
Look, he's back.
I feel the need for more speed. Second area, please.
Oh no! He's gonna ride the Star Cruiser after 2 energy drinks?
Work speed, please. Oh, really? Awesome. Yeah. Right, that was crazy, dude.
Wow, we give it 10 stars.
All right, now swinging over to the Imagination Award. Tonight, we celebrate an engineering marvel that has as spectacular as the grandest Ferris wheel in our theme park dreams. Crandon VMAX Adventures, led by the ingenious Tara Sinaith. This team didn't just build a project. They engineered a towering Ferris wheel that could dazzle the crowds at any World's Fair. Your innovation, design, and spectacular vision have truly raised the bar, or should I say the ride. Let's take a look at their submission.
Anya, what kind of a ride shall we make for Dash?
Something that combines our interests. You like jets that fly high in the sky, and I like space.
Let's make a Ferris wheel.
We created a Ferris wheel with PVC pipes.
The most challenging part was getting the Ferris wheel to spin.
First, we explored attaching one and later 2 servo motors to the rod, but the wheel did not spin.
We learned from a mechanical engineer that given the size and weight of our wheel, we need to increase the force to rotate the wheel called torque by more than 10 times.
The engineer explained that just like a bicycle, connecting our servo to a larger gear could increase the torque. We did this, but the wheel still did not spin because we needed even more torque.
We explored using 2 gears to further increase the torque. With this, our wheel spun. After building the wheel, we mapped out our route. We did the coding, fences, benches, and carts together.
Ooh, an amusement park. I'm so excited.
I want to ride that big wheel.
Please keep your hands inside the ride. Have fun.
Woo!
Lights off.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Please get off, sir.
I'm hungry. Let me get my money out of my pocket.
Customers, step up.
A margarita pizza, please.
That will be $50 coin.
Here's my $50 coin.
Please take your pizza.
Yum, that was so good.
Anya helped me with coding.
Krish helped me with building an art.
Thanks for visiting Crandon VMAX Adventure Park.
Now finally, every roller coaster needs a great operator, and at our competition, it's our coaches who make sure every ride is smooth and every landing is safe. Tonight, we extend our heartiest thanks to every coach out here, with a special shout out to Caitlin Fuentes King, our Super Coach of the Year. Caitlin, you've not only kept the roller coaster running, you've made sure it's the best ride in the park. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of our participants and coaches and parents as the gates close on this year's exhilarating ride at Wonderleague Park. Remember this, the fun doesn't stop here. Keep your seatbelts fastened for next year's competition. Thank you everyone for making tonight a spectacle brighter than the Midway at midnight. Keep dreaming, keep building, and keep riding the wave of innovation. Goodbye, and we'll see you next season.